In this video, we're gonna show you how to fix Evie Ring not tracking heart rate. First, ring fit. A loose or overly tight fit can significantly impact sensor readings. Ensure the ring is snug but comfortable. The Evie Ring user guide emphasizes the importance of proper ring orientation. Make sure the sensors are positioned correctly against your skin. Then censor clean lines. Dirt, sweat, or lotion can interface with the sensor. Gently clean the ring with mild soap and water and dry it thoroughly. After that, skin conditions. Scars, tattoos, or uneven skin surfaces can affect sensor accuracy. Cold temperatures can reduce blood flow to your extremities, making it harder for the sensor to get a reading. Then movement. Excessive movement, especially during activities, can create motion artifacts that disrupt heart rate readings. The AV ring uses algorithms to mitigate this, but it can still be a factor. Then app and firmware. Ensure your AV ring app and the ring's firmware are up to date. Updates often include bugs fixes and improvements to sensor accuracy. Then low blood perfusion. This is a general problem to wearable PPG heart rate monitors. Low blood perfusion, especially in the extremities, can cause weak signals. And the last one is individual psychological factors. Factors like arrhythmia or low resting heart rates can sometimes make it difficult for wearable devices to accurately track heart rate. So that's how you can fix every ring not tracking heart rate.